the hell did it go? How the hell did he get down there? Is he coming down this way?
He came, no, he was going up.
He was going up? The fuck? A what?
A 1911 pistol.
Pistol? Okay. Well, there's the exhaust. Look for a pistol. There's a pistol missing.
I don't know. I stopped right in there. Right up here.
Where was the pistol? Was it on you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it black? It's black, right?
Yeah.
That's gonna be a bitch. You alright?
Yeah.
How the hell did you get all the way down here?
I was on the hill. I stopped at the hill.
Were you coming up the hill? Were you coming up?
I was coming up, yeah.
Fuck.
The bike went down. I thought it was going to keep going.
I've never seen one come this way before. I've seen them go that way. It might be under the bike.
It's in fucking second gear right now.
Here, I got the bike. Look under the bike. See if it. Where'd you stop?
I stopped on the hill right
Oh,
there.
it's got to be up there then. If it was on you, that pistol.
Did the whole holster come out?
No.
Now the holster's still in there. This thing, we ain't gonna get this thing out. You're gonna get this pulled out. We might be able to pull it out, but
I have a friend with a winch.
That'd be a good idea.
that's a big hill.
Give him a call and see if he can come up.
Thank you. But still, my damn baby. Fuck.
Make sure that safety's still on.
I need my gun. I need my truck now to get this.
Be careful.
Thank you. I don't give a shit about myself, dude. I'm moving. I don't
Yeah,
fucking care.
you're fine.
My ass is chewed up outside that. I'm fine. Yeah, it's cocked and all. I have a round in it.
Is the key still in the bike?
Yeah.
It didn't come out?
Huh?
It didn't come out?
I'm not even touching it. Hey, Jim. Turn the switch off, please.
Yeah, I've never seen one get down here before.
Yeah.
I don't think you can pull this thing. Can pull this thing out.
Huh?
There's no way you can pull this out. We can't even climb up the hill.
I got, my buddy has a.
Is there a rope? Hey, look out! Paul. It's hot. Don't touch it. I'm just gonna throw it up there.
Found his pistol.
Yeah. There's a, yeah, I found it. I still don't see how he got all the way down there. Oh, he started way over there.
Yeah.
That's why he made it over there. Yeah. We got a rope or something?
You're gonna have to take a truck, dude.
We need a long rope.
Don't take a truck, boys. I'm telling you. I've been down this road many times.
So there's no.
Yeah.
There ain't no point in out.
Well, you can barely climb up the hill.
No, you can barely walk up it, dude. Whenever you get to right in there, the weight.
Do you want me to tell him?
When you get right in there, the weight really comes on. Ask Jim.
Did it get through your
Are you
pants?
alright, dude?
You get,
My ass is bleeding.
it didn't go through too bad, did it?
Right in there.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Do you want me to call John Michael?
What is it?
How'd you guys know he went down all the way up there?
We heard it.
Oh, you heard it? Yeah, you rode that back in all the way up that hill.
Yeah.
We were probably headed that way before he
Yeah,
was
that's a long,
You should have heard it.
long way. I haven't seen a black mark like that in a long time.
I'm scared to go up there and take a trip.
These connect. Mother, can you hear me? I wrecked bad. I have to go to the hospital. Tell her you're okay.
Yeah, tell her.
I'm 421, Jack's Corner.
Yeah, don't freak her out.
Yeah.
You say bad, I think someone's dying.
Let me talk.
Here.
Hey, listen.
Did you gash it open or is this rashed? Oh yeah, you gashed it open. Well, at least-
I'm with Paul. I about didn't want to go up there, to be honest, after the way it sounded.
There we are.
That's it. Everything's alright.
Yeah, it's right.
Damn, you had a fucking knee pad on too. It's still cut it.
It tore off.
I was gonna say, I went up with a piece of plastic in there, cut it, because it's just clean.
Yeah. You're just gonna need some stitches, man.
Someone
You'll
got
be
something I can lay on. I'm about to pass out.
Might wanna.
I'm gonna lay him back, get his
No, I
feet
need
up.
something barned above so I can sit up.
Yeah, put the.
I need under my head this thing.
I'm struggling to hold my head up.
So here, just come up with this today.
Is that better?
Yeah. Fuck.
Put some water on your head.